horse. Look at the presents. Whoa.
Wow. Blake, you getting on?
Blake's getting on the horse.
Whoa. Look at that.
Daddy.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Hang on.
And it's going to be Ronan's turn.
Hi. Big horse.
A big horse.
You gonna move him? Go ahead.
Go ahead, move him. Blake. You gotta ride them. Ride them. Bounce, bounce. Wow. Okay, can Ronan try?
Good. Ronan, try.